Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy, beginner-friendly crochet bracelet. This time I'm using this beautiful Irish green yarn instead of my usual red and white. It could be a cute accessory for the next St. Patrick's Day. For this design, I'm going to be using a 2.75mm crochet hook, green yarn, scissors. We're going to begin by doing a slip knot, then chain 5, join the first and last chain with a slip stitch, and basically what we're doing is we're forming a small ring. For the first row of the bracelet, we're going to do chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to work inside the ring and make 3 double crochet clusters. For that, yarn over, insert your hook in the ring, yarn over again, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. From here we're going to do yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops only. You have 2 loops left on the hook, and then repeat the process one more time. Yarn over, inside the ring, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now we have 3 left, and we're going to do yarn over and pull through all 3. Then make chain 2, and make another double crochet cluster. So yarn over in the circle, pull the yarn through. Now we have 3 on the crochet hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of them, yarn over inside the ring, pull through. Now we have 4 left, yarn over, pull through 2, and one more time, yarn over in the ring. Now we have 5 left, yarn over, pull through 2, and once you have 4 left on the crochet hook, we're going to do yarn over and pull through all 4. So now this is what we have. Now we're going to turn the design this way so the yarn is in front. From here, this is the first row. So we're going to start working on the second row. First, slip stitch through the middle where we did the chain 2, insert the hook in this middle, pull the yarn through and pull through one more time. So that's your slip stitch and make chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, we're going to work double crochet cluster, yarn over, inside the middle. You have 3 on the hook, pull, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, inside, pull through. Now we have 4, yarn over, pull through 2, until we have 3 left on the hook, 3 loops. From here we're going to do yarn over and pull through all 3. It's exactly the same thing as what we did on the other side for the first row. From here, chain 2, 1, 2, yarn over, into the middle, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over again, inside, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and last time yarn over, inside, pull through, and now we have 5, yarn over, pull through 2, and now on the left side we have 4 loops on the hook, so we're going to do yarn over, pull through all. So once you finish, again we're going to turn it and then continue working on the 3rd row. So you can continue turning your bracelet after each row. So again, we're going to keep doing this. I'm going to put on some music, some background music, and you can continue crocheting with me. When the bracelet is the length you want, and this is about right for me. I have pretty small wrists, so it will be about 13 rows. What I'm going to do next is hide the ends. So this is our bracelet. Unfortunately, I don't have a way of attaching it right now. So what I'm going to do is cut 2 pieces of yarn about the same length, fold into, and I'm going to pass the yarn through this last loop. You can also use your crochet needle to pull it over to the other side, and just make a very simple knot. And you can do the same thing on the other side. There are other ways to close the bracelet, but this is a super easy one, so I'm going to use that. So now we've got string on both sides, and you can either just simply tie it to your wrist, or if you want, you can make adjustable knot, which is what I'm going to do. There is a different video where I showed specifically how to do that. And there. You can open and close the bracelet now. The only thing that we might want to do is just tie a knot on each end so it doesn't come off when you open it. And then I'm going to shorten these. And there. It's super cute, beginner friendly crochet bracelet. It takes a little bit of time, but you can do it while listening to music or watching TV. If you're not familiar with some of the stitches that I use today, check out my other video that explains some of the basic crochet stitches. You can customize it, make it different colors. You can do a green one and a white one, wear them together for St. Patrick's Day. In a different video, I'm going to do one where I alternate colors, red and white, so we can make a Martenitsa style. Have fun making these bracelets, and thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.